Welcome back, users. This is the FAQ series where we are discussing about the errors faced by the users. However, in this particular video, we are going to discuss about the plugin installation, which is the important part of a WordPress journey. So let's just get in. Now you can just go in the dashboard, you go in the appearance section, and then you select for install plugins. Here you will find various plugins. So just select that and bulk action, install, and then apply. Like it might take some time, so just subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. So now all the plugins have been installed. So just return, and then you'll find the option for activating it. So select them all and activate and apply. This will activate all your plugins. You can just return to the dashboard. You can go in the plugin section. You will see all the plugins are now active. So this is how you can install and activate the plugins for your theme in the bulk action. But if you're not able to do it in the bulk action, you can just select one of the plugin, install and activate them, and do it for the rest of them. However, if you're facing some errors, we have a separate videos for that too. You can just check them out, or you can just mention the errors which you are facing in the comment box. Till then, see you in the next one.